Just to give you a sense of where things are, 51.2% for out, 48.8% for in. So again, the advantage right now going to the out folks. The Japanese spokesperson, a government spokesperson, just moments ago coming out saying that he's very concerned about what an outvote will mean for trade and for his economy there in Japan. So let's not forget, Jason, the consequences from a global perspective of all of this. Walk us through what those really are, because there's been a lot of warnings and a lot of concern expressed. What do you really think that's going to look like as we watch a market that's off 401 points right now?
Sure. Well, the theme is this, right? There's a lot of details. The theme is this, is that the world, the global financial markets do not like uncertainty, okay? If this Brexit happens, the pound will crash effectively. I mean, it's in the low 140s now. It will maybe easily approach one even. It'll probably go down 20%. That will be horrendous just in general. And in specific, I mean, the investment...
I want to stop you there, okay? Because
okay.
I don't know if it's going to be as horrendous as you think. I mean, sometimes when a currency depreciates like that, it actually gives the economy a leg up in that people can sell their goods. I mean, one of the concerns about the Brexit vote is that the U.S. would be looking at a stronger currency potentially, and that would thereby hurt our economy. I mean, if they have a weaker currency, I never liked the idea of a weaker currency, but if they have it, can't they sell more stuff?
Okay, yes, but you're missing a key point, respectfully, in that theoretically, you're right. But practically, that's not going to happen because, my analogy is the thumb, right? The European Union is 5 fingers. If Britain leaves, they're just a thumb in the ocean. Nobody will do. I mean, I shouldn't say nobody.
Come on, it's a major financial center, Jason.
It is, but if they leave the euro, there's going to be massive uncertainty as to how are they going to fund their current account deficit. How is China going to interact with them? We simply don't know, okay? Obviously,
so
the UK is not Puerto Rico. They're not an island. There's going to be uncertainty. It's bad for the market.
Steve Cortes, you agree?
No, I could not disagree more.
Now, really? Because I thought, you're an investor in the here and now. Aren't you a little bit nervous about what tomorrow's market is going to look like?
Oh, listen, near-term volatility, absolutely. Absolutely, and I concur on that point. There is going to be a lot of near-term volatility because markets, and I'll concur with this with Jason, that markets love what they know, right? And the known right now is the European Union as it stands. But for Britain, long-term, it is going to be far more prosperous by being out of the European Union, by being in it. And the idea that it's going to be standing alone, that it's going to be isolated, and that people won't trade with Britain, I think that's just utter nonsense. London is arguably the financial capital of the world. It's not. It's second only to New York.
I actually agree with you on that. I think that's an important point.